Hello guys, greetings and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin, and today in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to download YouTube video thumbnails from any YouTube video of your choice using a free online tool. So before we proceed, if this is the very first time that you checking out any of my contents, watching my videos of my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also tap this bell notification icon right here to ensure that you don't miss out whenever I publish new videos or I update my existing content. This is also to ensure that you also be the first in line to be notified whenever I give out free stuffs and freebies to my subscribers, because I usually do. So if you've done this, then let's proceed to the business of the day. And like I said, today I'm going to be showing you how to download YouTube videos thumbnail using a free online software. So to get started, you just open up your browser and search for freetoolshub.com. And once you've landed on the page, you scroll down a bit, and in this search bar right here, you enter YouTube thumbnail. You search for this particular tool. You use this as search bar to find or locate the YouTube thumbnail downloader tool. So you just click on it and wait for this advert to load up, or you can close it. Then once the page is loaded up, you scroll down, and right here you're going to have to put in the YouTube URL of the video. The particular video that you want to download the thumbnail from, you have to insert the URL of that video here. So let me just quickly grab this one. So I'll just copy, right click, and I'm gonna copy link, and I'll go back to my page and I'll paste it right here, and I'll click on get thumbnail images. Awesome. So you can see the magic. The YouTube thumbnail downloader software has helped us generate the thumbnail from this particular video, and also give us different sizes. It gave us in the HD image 1280 by 720. It also provided 640 by 480 thumbnail size for us, and the 480 by 360, and the 320 by 180, and lastly the 120 by 90. So depending on the thumbnail size of your choice, you can proceed to download to your device. Alright guys, we've come to the end of it in that video. I believe you've learned something from watching this video. If truly you've gained value after watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any comments, feel free to leave a comment from the comment section of this video, and I'll do my best to reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to share these contents across your social media platforms, because remember, sharing is caring and caring is sharing. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Signing out.